Hi, angels. Thank you for joining me for yet another tapping script. This one is going to be a little bit different. I've done tapping scripts before on opening your third eye, trusting your intuition, and this video is also tied in with those. This one is specifically for trusting and opening up your mediumship abilities, which is the specific intuitive ability that allows you to connect consciously with souls that have crossed over your loved ones or anyone else who may be wandering by. Maybe you visit a historic site and you're feeling some energy that's there and you want to be able to be of service in some way. There's a lot of things you can do as a medium, along with communicate, help, receive messages, help them cross over. It's a really beautiful ability if you are called to this work. So this tapping script is going to help you feel comfortable and confident to know you can set boundaries and be discerning with your energy. I really look forward to seeing what comes up for you from this video. Remember that tapping once is amazing, but tapping consistently is really the way to go to create those lasting changes to really help you literally reprogram the brain. So when you are ready, let's get tapping. Even though I have held back from fully trusting this gift, I deeply and completely accept myself, and I am open to stepping into it now. Even though I have held back from fully trusting this gift, I deeply and completely accept myself, and I am open to stepping into it now. Even though this ability has felt uncertain and even a little frightening, I choose to trust that I am protected, guided, and ready. Even though this ability has felt uncertain or even a little frightening, I choose to trust that I am protected, guided, and ready. Even though I have questioned whether I am truly called to this work, I am willing to believe that this gift was placed in me on purpose and that I am more than ready to use it. Even though I have questioned whether I am truly called to this work, I am willing to believe that this gift was placed in me on purpose, and I am more than ready to use it. I feel safe and grounded in my body right now. My feet are rooted to the earth beneath me. I open to the spirit world from a place of safety. I am discerning of energy. I know the difference between what serves me and what does not. My guides are with me. My guides are protecting me. I am never doing this work alone. I am able to set boundaries even here. I choose who I allow into my field. I have authority over my own energy. I am called to this work. This is not something I stumbled into. This is a sacred calling. My energy is raising to meet the light. And the energy of spirit is gently lowering to meet me. We meet in the middle of love and clarity. I trust that I will know what to do. The right words, the right impressions, the right knowing will come. If they need help, I will offer it. If they simply need to be witnessed, I will sit with them. I follow their lead with presence and grace. I do not need to force or perform. I simply show up, open, and allow. That is more than enough. This is fun. This is exciting. What a gift it is to be a bridge between worlds. I am a healer. I am intuitive. These are not things I have to earn. They are things I already am. I allow myself to own these gifts fully and without apology. I am proud of who I am and what I carry. This is a spiritual offering. I show up in service and in love. I trust the intelligence of spirit to guide this exchange. I trust myself to receive and interpret clearly. I trust the process completely. I release doubt. I release hesitation. I release fear. I step into this work with confidence, joy, and deep reverence. I am ready. I am open. I am here. Oh, I wonder what spirits are going to want to communicate with me, because definitely feel some energy rushing through me here. Let me know below what came up for you. If you would like more support on your intuitive development journey, be sure to check out my mentorships below. And if you would like to join us in Mount Shasta for my next spiritual retreat, it is August 2026. Again, all that information is below. Thank you for being on your spiritual journey. You are helping to raise the vibration of the planet. Mwah. Bye for now.